We now want to expose this data through iShare's API for Power BI to consume that. And we can do this through defining a data share connection. I've got one set up here. And this is a select statement that pulls in data from the street crimes, also the boundary line districts table that I've got loaded, for the district for Surrey. And I've also got the boundary line wards table loaded just for Surrey. And essentially the district name and the ward name are included in my select statement. So we're going to expose this essentially as we're going to break down the point geometries as just X and Y fields. You can see here as longitude and then another one as latitude. So I've built my data share connection here. If I expand this, you can then see the data that we are exposing through iShare's API. So this is the first set of data that Power BI is going to read in. This is the Surrey crime data set that we've now exposed through iShare's API. So this will be available to Power BI as a web request, and we're going to download it as a CSV document.